Welcome to our latest video on the best Windows tablets of 2024. Whether you're in need of a powerful device for work or a sleek tablet for entertainment, we've got you covered. Today, we'll be exploring the top options that combine versatility, performance, and style. From Microsoft's Surface lineup to some hidden gems, these tablets are perfect for every need. Let's dive right in and find the perfect Windows tablet for you. Starting off strong, our top pick is the Microsoft Surface Pro 9, and for good reason. This 13-inch tablet isn't just your average device, it's a full-on productivity beast. Equipped with a 12th Gen Intel Core i7-1265U Deca-core processor, this tablet ensures you can multitask effortlessly, whether you're editing videos, running multiple apps, or tackling some serious workloads. With 16 gigabytes of RAM, you won't experience lag, and the 256GB SSD storage gives you plenty of room for your files while speeding up boot times and loading apps. Running on Windows 11 Pro, it delivers a seamless desktop experience right on your tablet, perfect for professionals who need flexibility on the go. The graphite design isn't just sleek, it's sophisticated and modern, perfect for anyone who wants their tech to look as good as it performs. Plus, the Surface Pro 9 is super versatile. You can use it as a tablet or snap on a keyboard and transform it into a laptop. This is the device that can really do it all, making it perfect for work, creativity, or entertainment. Keep watching as we dive into more awesome Windows tablets next. Let's dive into the Microsoft Surface Laptop Go 3, 2023, which is all about being lightweight, portable, and stylish without sacrificing performance. The 12.4-inch touchscreen makes this device super user-friendly, providing an interactive experience that's perfect for work, study, or entertainment. It's powered by an Intel Core i5 processor paired with 8 gigabytes of RAM, giving you enough speed and multitasking ability to handle your day-to-day tasks like browsing, streaming, or working with Office apps effortlessly. What really makes this model shine is its sleek design and the fact that it's thin and lightweight, so tossing it in your bag and carrying it around won't be a burden. The 256GB SSD gives you fast storage and enough space to save your essential files, documents, and apps, making it ideal for students or professionals on the go. Running on Windows 11, it provides a smooth, modern interface, plus handy features like Copilot to assist you with tasks and boost productivity. The ice blue color gives the laptop a cool, fresh look, adding a touch of style to your tech setup. Whether you're using it for work, school, or casual entertainment, the Surface Laptop Go 3 balances power and portability, making it a versatile choice. It's perfect for anyone who needs a reliable, everyday laptop that's easy to carry and doesn't compromise on performance. The Dell Latitude 7320 Detachable 2-in-1 laptop is a versatile powerhouse designed for those who need flexibility and performance on the go. This 13-inch 1920 by 1280 FHD Plus touchscreen display delivers crisp visuals with excellent clarity, making it perfect for both work and media consumption. Powered by the Intel Core i7-1118G7 processor, with 4 cores clocking up to 4.6 GHz, it ensures fast multitasking, smooth performance, and the ability to handle demanding applications with ease. With 16 gigabytes of RAM, this laptop guarantees smooth operation, whether you're managing multiple apps, large spreadsheets, or creative software. The 256GB SSD hard drive provides fast boot times, quick file access, and ample space for your essential data, making it perfect for business professionals or students alike. Whether you're typing up reports or browsing on the go, the sleek black finish adds a professional look to this highly functional device. The Microsoft Surface Pro 2-in-1 Laptop Tablet 2024 combines power, portability, and style, making it a versatile device for any task. With its 13-inch touchscreen display, you'll enjoy crisp, clear visuals perfect for creative work, presentations, or binge-watching your favorite shows. The device is powered by the Snapdragon X Plus 10 core processor, ensuring smooth performance whether you're multitasking, streaming, or using demanding apps. Equipped with 16 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of storage, the Surface Pro offers fast, efficient processing power and plenty of space for all your files, photos, and apps. Running on Windows 11 Copilot Plus, the device enhances your workflow with intelligent features, making everyday tasks simpler and more intuitive. Whether you're working, creating, or playing, this setup ensures you get the most out of your day. Finished in a stunning sapphire, the Surface Pro exudes elegance while remaining ultra-portable and lightweight. It transitions seamlessly between a laptop and tablet, giving you flexibility wherever you are. Ideal for professionals, students, and creatives, this 2-in-1 delivers top-tier functionality in a sleek and stylish design. ASUS VivoBook 13. Slate OLED 2-in-1 laptop offers a versatile and vibrant display experience, perfect for entertainment and productivity. With its 13.3-inch FHD OLED touchscreen display, you'll get deep blacks, vibrant colors, and sharp visuals, making everything from movies to photo editing look spectacular. Whether you're in laptop mode or using it as a tablet, the responsive touchscreen ensures smooth navigation and easy interaction with your apps. Powered by the Intel Pentium N6000 quad-core CPU, the VivoBook Slate handles everyday tasks with ease, from web browsing to document editing. Coupled with 8 gigabytes of RAM and a 256 gigabyte PCIe 3.0 SSD, you can expect fast boot times, quick app launches, and ample storage for your files and media. Running on Windows 11 Home, this 2-in-1 laptop brings the latest features and a sleek interface for a modern computing experience. The slim and lightweight design, finished in sleek black, makes it easy to carry around, perfect for students, professionals, or anyone on the go. If you're looking for a flexible device with a stunning display and reliable performance, the ASUS VivoBook 13 Slate is a top pick. And that wraps up our list of the best Windows tablets of 2024. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the best tech of 2024. See you in the next video.